Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you how can you mirror iPhone to Fire TV stick. In order to mirror iPhone to Fire TV sticks, you could simply follow these steps. So here's what you'll need to do is to screen mirror your iPhone to a Fire stick, you'll need to use a third-party app that supports AirPlay. As Fire Stick does not natively support AirPlay, apps like AirScreen or Replica can be installed on a Fire Stick, and then you could use your iPhone's control center to mirror your phone. So here you want to go to the Google Play Store and install this application on your Fire Stick. After you've actually done it, so then you simply want to go ahead and launch the app and follow the on-screen prompt. Then you simply want to open up your mobile device and head over to your control center, and here you want to click on the screen mirror options. After you actually do it, so you could find the nearby device. So if you are sure about it, you want to click that out, and you have to sometimes enter in some sort of digital code as well. And with that being said, you'll have successfully screen mirrored your iPhone Fire TV stick. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.